To stop the WartHOG from spinning, open the bypass valve on the skid. The pressure in the WartHOG case should fall close to zero. Be cautious, there will still be a small amount of pressure in the case. Do not open the case. You must shut the skid engine off to eliminate all circulation pressure from the hydraulic system. After the skid engine is off, open the WartHOG top needle valve to allow air to enter the cast and the oil to drain back into the skid. Ensure the oil drains past the top sight glass before taking off the top plate of the drive. Remove the top plate using a 9/16 wrench or socket. Once the WartHOG internal oil has drained to the preferred level, remove the hydraulic hoses to the skid. Remove the brass ejection bushing using a ratchet and a 1/2 inch extension. Thread the flush-by rod tool onto the exposed thread pin. Pull the rods up, removing the downhole rotor from the stator, and perform the flush. If production or flushing fluid is seen bypassing the stuffing box into the WartHOG, a stuffing box change must be done. After the flush is complete, lower the rods back down through the WartHOG. Ensure the rod is clean going back through the stuffing box. Any production fluid that builds up must be wiped away. The WartHOG internal oil cannot get contaminated. Land the rod back into the top hex and remove the flush-by rod tool. Reinstall the brass ejection bushing. Check the top cap O-ring for any nicks or cuts and replace if necessary. Use a liberal amount of grease when reinstalling. Reinstall the top cap and position the pressure gauge to your desired location. The hydraulic skid hoses can now be reinstalled. Install a relief hose to the top of the needle valve and have a pail underneath to catch any excess oil. This drive cannot operate with any air in it. With the skid engine running, but the bypass valve open the needle valve on the top of the WartHOG to bleed any air that's in the drive. Once all the air escapes, close the valve and the drive is ready to operate. Close the skid bypass valve to start turning your drive head. The WartHOG internal pressure must be greater than the well flow line pressure. Set the WartHOG internal pressure using the adjustable relief valve on the manifold.